Hello guys, Adrian here. Hope you're having a great day. Today I'm in the gym. It's important to get a workout in before the buffet. I like to train. Right, I've just finished my last haircut of the year. Not too bad, I like it short. Been coming to the same hairdressers for a while now. Just in the Shilling area, checking out a bit of city nature. A squirrel. Where's it going? Ooh. Go on, you can do it. Amazing. These are Taiwan blue magpies. I believe you can only find these in Taiwan. These are the national bird of Taiwan. Look at the blue colours. Let's see if I can get a closer look. Perhaps not. Today I'm at Miramar Shopping Mall. I'm going to do a little bit of Christmas shopping. Yeah, let's go inside. I'm just going to head up to Under Armour to get a few sports clothes. Still on discount at the moment, so I'll pick a few things up. quite a good discount.
2XL.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Check first.
Oh yeah, thank you. No. Just see. I just want to see the size. Make sure the size is XL. Basically. Okay. XL.
And this one XL.
XL. That's right.
And this one XL.
XL. Okay. Good.
2XL. And this one is XL.
I've just spent more than a thought of wood. Just going to head down to the supermarket to pick up some milk and blueberries. Let's go. And don't do it, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it, don't do it. I couldn't help it. Ooh, very Christmassy. They look tempting. Maybe next time. Just heading back for a nighttime shot of the Christmas tree. Just passing by a garden of lights. Quite cool. Tree definitely looks a lot better at night time. It looks absolutely fantastic. Very nice and Christmassy. Okay everyone, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye bye.